So upgrade textures, let's remove that. You know what we can do? We can just copy this and then go up into upgrade, upgrade.cpp and h. Go ahead and copy in this in static. Wait, we already did that, didn't we? Upgrade is fine already. Upgrade. No, what we didn't do was we didn't get this init textures in here. Enemy textures, enemy init textures. We didn't do this in here. Let's just do this. Upgrade. Number of textures. Textures, and just call this textures instead to make it simpler. Upgrade init textures, and now we have to go to game again, get all the upgrades. No, do this. Control X, and then upgrade init textures. It wasn't done at all, so that's good. Enemy is fine. I think I can close that now. Upgrade. Here we go. There we go. Then we just want to name that textures instead. Copy it and just do that. Number of textures. Textures.size. So we have all of those. We're good. Is less than upgrade number of textures, or this type is less than 0. Or if it's greater or equal to 0. I did this the other way around, so textures this type, no texture upgrade for that type, constructor upgrade, just like that. Set origin. So I think upgrade is pretty much finished. Close that. And you'll see this didn't really make a big deal. Player update? Where's the issue? I think it's an upgrades update. Enemy bullet update. I bet. No, enemy update when they die. Or player bullet update when we kill the enemy. That's where we have the issue. Because when we're going to create it, textures. There we go. And then we create an upgrade from that texture. Alright, so we fixed that problem. Now we have just a few more things, power-ups and particles. So let's open powerup.h, powerup.cpp, particle.cpp and particle.h. Get all the h files to this side. Power-up. Particle. There we go. Let's start with power-up. Make all the number of power-ups. Textures. Number of textures. And just call this textures. Copy this. No, wait. Static void init textures. Copy all of this. Put into particle. Remove that, and then we'll go into our CPP files. So let's start with power-up. Number of textures, and then power-up textures, textures, void power up. There we go. Go into your game, copy paste all this stuff. So tedious doing all this stuff. I'm sorry about this, guys and girls, but this will make it a lot easier, much cleaner. It's showing you a good way to actually initialize all of these instead. And I should have done this from the start, so I'm sorry, but this is a good way to do it. Now, textures, just have to do the same thing on every one of these, and then number of textures equals power up textures dot size. So that solved a bunch of our problems. Textures is type. If this type is greater than or equal to this power up number of textures, or type is less than 0, error, no such power up texture or type. Error constructor power up, then new line. No, I haven't done exactly the same thing on all, but you might want to be able to do that. There we go. Else I'll set the texture to that texture. Perfect. So we have an error check there. I will make sure that we have a enum. No, this is particle. Enum power ups. Enum power ups. So what different power ups do we have? How many types do we have? We have RF and XP. Rapid fire. Experience double. That's the two we have. Alright, that's the two we have. Perfect. Good. Good. Now in particle, let's just copy all of this from here. Put it into particle. Particle, number of textures, particle textures, particle init textures. Particle, perfect, texture. Now we're gonna have to go in the game again. Let's remove all of this. Say particle init textures. That's it. Boom. That's it. We can remove these two. And go into particle and just copy that in there. There we go. Boom. And make a enum particles triangular 0. There we go. Boom. Perfect. Do that and this and this. Alright guys and girls, that's about it. Now we set all the things. Let's just fix this error. Particle textures, that's done for particle. No errors, no error in power up, no error in particles, no error in power up. The only errors we're gonna get is in here. Then we'll go to power-ups update. No. updates, update, no problem. Text tags update, enemy bullet update, enemy update, player bullets update. There we go. Okay, power up, number of textures. So we get the U type from that. And then what do we do? Is this video long? This video is really long. I'm gonna have to cut this video in two, I think. So we'll keep working just a little bit. I have to check when you upgrade. Get an update. Stat point. So if we go into upgrade .h enum upgrades. So let's see. Let's put the H file here. Stat point 0. What else do we have? We have stat point, so we'll say upgrade stat point. Health tank. Just do this. Upgrade health tank. Double ray health tank stat point. Let's just make that a little clearer to read. Stat point health tank double ray, triple ray. What else is there? Piercing shot. What else is there? Shield. Was that it? That's it. Triple ray, piercing shot, shield. Triple ray, piercing shot, and then shield. Alright, so that's good. Upgrade. Fine. Alright, let's run this and let's see what happens. If it doesn't work, we'll fix it in the next video. Still have to cut this in two. But it should work. Let's see if I loaded all the textures and stuff. No, remember the redefinition. So enemy bullets, textures. Let's go into enemy.h, enemy.cpp, and then enemy.h. So I have the textures thing here. I have to remove that to remove bullet textures. And then in the CPP file, we won't get any errors. That's good. Let's run this again. Fix all the errors. Okay, so textures. Oh wait, init map textures. I didn't do that, did I? Texture selector set texture. This is in game, so let me just remove this. Remove that. Init textures temp. Tile init textures. Just like that. Let me remove that. And run, but that was in game though. So I mean, so game works, I think. Please, good Lord, have mercy. Okay, so all the bullet textures work. Piercing shot works. All the other textures are working. The text tags are working now, as you can see. And the upgrade is working itself. This is working as well. Oh, power-ups worked. I got the power-up, so I'm pretty fast. And it went away as usual. Tiles are working. The background texture is working. Alright, so everything's fine. Everything is fine. You see? No big deal. So So we're good. Now if I didn't get the shield upgrade, did I? But no, but all this works. One last thing before I go, because this video is 30 minutes. One last thing before I go. Just gonna check something. I'm gonna go in a game, and there was something I wanted to do with the scrolling. So I mean the stage. Let me just update stage. Stage update right there, stage right here. So scroll speed is good, and I set the scroll speed here. Update doesn't do shit. Update background doesn't do shit. So where do I scroll the damn background, or where do I scroll the whole thing? Like what the hell's going? So the view moves with the stage's scroll speed. That's basically what happens. Yes, exactly. So I have to go up into init view. No, I have to go into update view, and I have to say if, or I could do this. Wait, where's update? Update. Update. The whole update. Upgrades update. Power up map update. Here's our regular update. Alright. So just go in here. Where do I do update view? Right here. And I want to do that while it's not paused. Timers is good, so I'll just update it while it's not paused. That's perfect. Now we'll see. Now is this not paused? It won't scroll. Nope. No, it's not scrolling. Cool. Alright, good. Good. And if I die, just get major damage here. Boom. Stop scrolling. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, we'll keep working on it. In the next video we'll reset the view, reset everything and stuff, so that's good. But take care. Thanks for sticking with me with this tedious work. As I said, just go update your code from GitHub if you don't want to do this all on your own and learn what I'm doing. If you get it anyway, then it's good. But yeah, thanks anyway. Thanks for all the support and the love, and I'll see you guys in the next one, I guess. Alright, take care. Bye-bye.